thickening moisture, pools, and even tiny folds of skin, insects and fungus boring into pores.
Understanding the nature of change and trusting that change. It's easy to do that when you initiate that change, but when it just happens. I took that experience and I wanted to write about using my voice, and I think what ended up happening is I kind of gave myself instructions for embracing change and understanding the nature of change and trusting that change. It's
That's the essence of poetry. Most people who don't like poetry, despite their faith on poems. But in this collection of Billy Collins, which I admit to have bought 3 copies, because there's one in there that's very appropriate for my son. I have 4 children, because he hasn't talked to me in 2 years. And his grandson, or my grandson, his son. But this one is Ted Cruz's, and it's a poem on selecting a reader. First, I would have her be beautiful, and walking carefully
In the human struggle for clarity. Thank you.
You will and trace the soil you trod.
Because Stephen started that and it was worthwhile. We're in our 26th year of Revelry, and I remember well when he said he was going to do this. And we did it at Seminole State, and then when he left he said, and it is coming with me. And it did. So I think that, certainly he's carried me along, and I am so happy for the ride. But so often we start things, and then we lose interest. And then we think about it later and think, oh, that was pretty good. I wonder why I didn't keep it up. But for this, not only his vocation, but his avocation, his belief system, the thing that he does well. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Each year, I ponder whether or not I'm going to do this again and how long it will go on. I do know that the Stephen Colbert Wright Poetry Awards at Seminole State College will probably go on and on and on because they are part of the foundation at the college. I am not so sure what will happen to Revelry, but I'm thinking that it may take a different shape and form. I'm not quite sure. But it is my desire that it would go on and on, but I don't know who would be able to do that.